Detective Superintendent Shake. Umve.
We need to know where he is.
Dukeneye kumenya ahantu ari.
No, he's in prison.
Jenzi kari muri gereza.
Except he's not in.
Kareka ntago akiri muri gereza. Umve. Do. Idris Elba. Bimeze bite? Gereza. Bavuga ngarimo yayiciye ishene kare. Yaciye ishene kare. Ni kugasoma films.com. Waransezeranije ko wamfasha.
You know what they did to my son.
Uzi ibyo bakoreye umwana wanjye.
Stop this man.
Mfite guhagarika uno mugabo. Mfite kumuhagarika.
And if you refuse to stand down, tactical unit will shoot you.
Niwanga kuva kuri iki kirego, tactical unit iraza kukurasa, irakwica.
Things coming.
Hari ikintu cyambaye kigiye kuza.
John, you right in the eye.
Narakwirebeye bwanje mu maso.
I was curious.
Kubera ko nifite amatsiko.
I wanted to know.
Nashakaga kumenya.
See.
Nimba uri buze kubimbonamo. Wumve.
Because
kubera ko
he's who you are.
harya ngo siba muri bo. Si wari we.
The man who knows all about.
Nguri wa mugabo buzi byose kuri.
Me.
Ku bantu bameze nkatwe ba serial killer.
Why does he make an announcement?
Kubera iki ari kubyamamaza. Arashaka isi yose tekereza ko
Funny that I
ari doto bizaba
get
imamo.
me. 50.
Tatururi. Rabe. Just kugasomana films.com. Idris Elba. Rumubona ariko.
What has to be done?
Yeah.
See me now.
Filime.
Enjoying myself.
Bino bintu ndi kubyinezezamo yari kwica abantu bayinezeza. Reka indoto mbi zize.
Because I'm ready.
Njye nditeguye. Nimba ari ibiza nibize.